So today we are running a workshop to promote the biotechnology program here at Moorpark College. And specifically, the Biotech program is supported by a grant called the STEM Impacto, which is designed to help increase the participation, success, and job placement and transfer rate of Hispanic and low-income students. So we spend quite a bit of time and effort recruiting as many students who qualify for this program and others that maybe are not eligible to participate in STEM Impacto. But we have a nice workshop that we're running today where students are learning all about the biotechnology program, the industry, what sorts of jobs are available to them, what sort of classes we offer, what sort of skills they need to learn to participate and be members of this biotech industry, and what sort of positions they can enter, the salaries that they can make once they complete our program. So I also want to talk a little bit more about the STEM Impacto program and what it offers. So again, it's designed to support Hispanic and or low-income students in biotechnology and a few other disciplines, biology, the computer network systems and engineering program. And so what it offers to students who are cohort members is access to faculty mentors such as myself, access to peer mentors who have completed the program and are now either transferred to a four-year university or working in industry, access to course-embedded tutors who are there to support their academic success, and paid internship opportunities at local companies, financial literacy workshops, time management, other life skills workshops, and lastly, financial rewards. So if students meet a certain set of criteria at the end of the semester, then they can qualify and earn a financial reward for participating in this program. The STEM Impacto program is specific to the Moorpark College Biotech, Biology, and CNSE departments. And biotechnology in general, it's actually a really sort of open field that many people are interested in, but there's not too many programs that offer either a two-year degree or certificate or even a four-year bachelor's degree in the area. So Moorpark College is one of the few local schools where students can enter into that field, earn either a certificate within a year or a two-year degree and enter the job force. And it's actually a lot easier than many people believe, right? The word biotechnology sort of brings up images of some high-tech, high-skill, very difficult sort of skills that are required. But in fact, the barrier to entry is very low. So we take lots of high school students, we take adult learners from the community. They come in expecting to maybe be masters in like molecular biology or calculus, but in fact, it's a lot simpler than that. And as our lab tech Mary likes to say, if you know how to put together a coffee at Starbucks, you can run a biotech chromatography column. So it's really easy to learn. It's one of the few colleges that offers this type of degree or certificate, and it's open to anybody who's interested in learning more about this field and entering the workforce.